Good morning, everybody. We are starting our day today at a beautiful arboretum. It's so stunning. I feel like I won't be able to talk about each and every flower that I see because it is just absolutely gorgeous in here, and I'm literally just walking inside, but I must know what these are. So let's start there while I'm searching that. Look how pretty. Okay, so this is, wow, this is a type of hydrangea. I think, okay, a smooth hydrangea or seven bark. It's a species of flowering plant in the family of hydrangea, small to medium, multi-stemmed. Very interesting. I would have never guessed that. It kind of does look like hydrangea, but I've never seen that type. Oh, look how the sun just is hitting all of this beautiful greenery. Okay, we'll literally be here all day, which I'd be okay with, but we have to start moving. There's so much to see. You can already tell I'm gonna need to do multiple nature walks here. I just heard a pretty bird in there. I don't know where he is. But look at that. Lots of bees. Look at this pretty guy. Hello, buddy. He's doing his job. Beautiful. Okay, I've got to get moving. Otherwise, we won't see anything. Look at this. Is this a... I should know this. I think... Let's see. Let's check it out. This is... beer grass. Huh. In the corn lily family. Beer grass. That's what that's called. Okay, let's go this way. Let's go back the way we came. Look how pretty. So that over there, it's like the office of the gardens. Look at that. So cool. And these are like ferns. Almost like tropical vibes. Oh, I love it. Just so pretty. And even over there, that little vignette. Just so pretty. And the way the sun comes through the trees, even in this little path here. So pretty. Okay, let's keep moving. And this was the first thing I saw. Look how pretty. Ah, so pretty. Does it smell? It does. What is this called? Let's see. Oop, got a little spider on me. Beauty bush. What? What a beautiful name. Beauty bush. Okay, or Colquitzia? Okay, so now I need to know more about this. Colquitzia amabilis, commonly known as beauty bush, is a species of flowering plant in the family of Caprifoliaceae? Probably very wrong. It's the sole species in genus Colquitzia. It is a deciduous shrub grown as an ornamental plant. In China, where it originated, the plant is called Wei Shi Shu. Very beautiful. I see why it's called beauty bush. Whoop. Hi. Oh, it's so stunning. I'm never going to get through here.
Oh, you gotta do the rose garden.
Oh, gosh. Terry Shane Teaching Garden. It's honestly so beautiful. Like, I can't take it. I will be back. Oh, I didn't even notice there's actually the signs that say what's what. So yep, that's a type of hydrangea as well. And these pretty guys. Oh, I can't take it. Okay, so this is like the actual factual. So, you heard me, a few people walked up. I think they were maybe teachers. Look at this. Okay, so the signs are here, so this will make this a lot easier. But look, oh my gosh. I think these are called aluminiums. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, I wish you could smell it. I wish you could smell it. This is crazy. Let's see. We'll be here for a second because these are stunning and it smells amazing right here. Ornamental onion? Yeah, okay. Allium, not aluminiums. Alliums. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, wait. I just have to get a few other little shots because, oh my goodness. I just wish you could smell it. I don't know if that's the roses I'm smelling. This doesn't, yeah, it must be the roses. These beautiful roses right here. Oh, and a butterfly. Okay. I'm literally never going to get through this place. And the bees, they're doing their jobs. Busy, busy bees. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. So these are easy on the eyes roses. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Oh, Josephine clematis. These are ranunculus. Oh, look, and the bees in there. He's doing his job in there. Here's another one. They are just going away, doing what they gotta do. It smells so good already. Hybrid peonies. So it doesn't look like there's any peonies here because I think peonies are like they come out closer to the end of summer, I believe. Ooh, but look over here. These are roses. They're gonna be roses, but nothing there yet. What is that amazing smell? It must be these. Oh man, yeah, it's those. These are Mrs. Key's pink roses. That's what the sign says. Oh, I could cry. I could honestly cry. Look at these. Okay, these are peonies. So these are open. Oh, I could just look at that. Wait, so again, I have to just get a few more pictures because they're so pretty. Oh, and these. Oh, they smell fresh. Not a strong scent. Not a strong scent, like a fresh scent. These though. Oh boy. And look, like, I just don't think the camera could do this place justice. I'm just gonna do a walk around and then I'll come back to any flowers that I really want to know more about because I can't take it. They're so stunning. So these are geraniums. Look at that. Oh, okay, so that purple is clematis. These guys. This is clematis or clematis? Clematis. Charlie Brown clematis. So pretty. But these geraniums. Let's just. Oh my gosh. Are these foxgloves? Type of foxglove? Let's see. Let's check. These are. Oh, it's so bright out. I can't really. It's not giving me. Let's see. Plant. Lungwort. I don't know if that's accurate. Let's see. I think that was too much in that picture for it to give me an accurate. Let's get closer. There we go. Alright, let's see. What do we got here? Oh, okay, yeah, they are a type of foxgloves. They're just baby ones. I've seen them so much bigger. They're baby foxgloves. And look at those roses back there. Oh my goodness. Oh, right here, it smells so good. Soul Sister Rose. This is a shrub, apparently. Is it this that I'm smelling? No. It might be those back there. Oh, and these I know are called, oh, I know them. These pretty ones back here. It's called, I know those, wait, but before I just need a little bit more. Oh, and look at that. Just absolutely stunning. I love how they have the roses like grown on that like gate or chain back there. And look at these. Are these peonies or garden roses? I think they're garden roses. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Eskimo rose. I didn't even see these. And these, Garden Delight. Look how pretty. Let's keep going. I wanna, well, first I've got to see these stunning red. What are these? Roses? Oh my word, look at that. The color. This place is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Get through here because I don't know if there's more to this. I think there is. Look how pretty this is. And these bees are just going to town. Overheating a little bit. Okay, I think we will be back. That's what I think. Oh, and there's birdies in there. Well, this is just an absolutely perfect walk. I think I will definitely come back here. Look at these beauties. Just absolutely beautiful. I can't even handle it. Look at the color variation there. Oh, they're just stunning. I think those are ranunculus on the other side. Oh no, I think those are garden roses back there. Oh, so pretty. I just want a picture of these because they're just so pretty, like just all together like this. Wait. Photo. Whoops. Too much fun. Wait, and look at this gate. What? I think for sure my phone is going to overheat in a second. So I need to make this quick. But look at this. See if I can just get one more photo of the entrance of this because it's, let's see if I can kind of, that's the money shot. That's the money shot. All right. Let's see, is there anything else back here? Let's take a look at the map. So pretty. Wait, let's look here. These are, I think these are a type of hydrangea as well. This is Oregon grape holly. But I think this is a type of hydrangea. And I saw these somewhere else the other day and I wasn't sure. So let's see. Come on. Yep, oak leaf hydrangea. Look at that. Very different. So unique. Okay. Alright guys. I am going to end it here because I will be back to this beautiful, beautiful garden. It is stunning and I can't wait to see what else I see. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.